Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am making one ingredient shampoo, and today I washed my hairs also with that, and it gave me results. You have to see the video. So yes, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First we will overnight soak Rita. It is also known as soap nut. We'll overnight soak it, and then we'll give it a nice boil. After boiling it, Rita's will be like softer side. Then you'll just crump them like this. You'll keep mixing them, and it will properly make a like liquid soap kind of. It will give you, as you can see how much I've massaged it, and I've like kept aside the Ritas, and now I'll apply on my hairs. You can see my hairs are little dirty. It's nearly 3 to 4 days I've not washed my hairs. First I will wet my hairs, then I will take a little portion, like I'm trying it for first time, so obviously I made this shampoo first time. So first I applied little less, so it did not give my results proper. So then I applied more. I think I had put lot of water in this, but you can see how much nicely it is now creating a shampoo like texture. And you can see my hairs, but when I was washing my hairs I was like it will remain dirty a little. I didn't stain it, so that's why it had a problem. So I was like they were very much of rough when I tried it, and when I was washing I had to like clean it very much longer period of time, just due to my like thinking that it was not good. As you can see how much nicely it has made a foam, and as you can see I'm picking my hairs. I am seeing like it's very rough. My hairs are not that much of rough, so yes, I will do that. As you all know, right now I'm having a lot of hair falls, and I'm trying whichever thing I'm sharing it with you. So this shampoo I'll be using this shampoo only, and whichever mask I will do, I'll try again. I'll make a short video. Now I will I tried it little shampoo. Now I'll make it in a bottle and store it for my further use. Now as you can see I've cleaned properly my hairs. Now Rita is helpful in hair fall and remove dandruff from your scalp. According to Ayurveda, dandruff is the prime cause of the hair fall. It is a condition marked by flakes by the dry skin on the scalp. Rita helps in control dandruff and promotes hair growth due to its balancing properties. Now they dried my hairs. When I washed my hairs, they were so hard. I used a little more water, but now they're in good conditions. I will tell its proper review after combing my hairs. First I will take a detangle comb and comb my hairs. This is the shampoo which I've tried for first time, so yes. Now Rita is also very effective as a hair cleanser agent that keeps your scalp healthy by removing infections caused by microorganisms. And Rita, or soap nut, which is called in English, is filled with iron, which is beneficial for your hairs very much. You can see how much hair fall I'm having right now, so that's the prime cause of it. So yes, as you can see my hair fall right now, it's like very much due to changing of atmosphere, place, water difference. So yes, I used to live in village, so obviously their water was very good quality, and then we get water supply, and my hairs are good. I think my whole oil has been removed from my hairs. So yes, this is my first time trying it, so yes, I had good experience with it. As you have seen how much foam it was making. So yes, today I have a little bit difference for my hair fall, because this is right now what I had my hair fall. Before it was like full comb used to be there, so they are a little soft, because my hairs are normally soft, so I kind of like this vibe. So I'll apply leave-on my hairs. So yes, I like the shampoo. I've combed my hairs right now. They are on softer side. They have a proper like flow in this. All my oil has been removed. They had washed very properly. I'll be surely making a shampoo and keeping of this. I thought this shampoo, if I reduced a little more in less quantity, it could have made a proper shampoo out of this. So yes, I'll make this bottle and keep it for washing my hair. So yes, and if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for watching.